Morning guys, it's 10:10 in the morning. Welcome to a day in life of second officer. I'm having my cup of hot water and let's get started for the day.
It's 10:15 a.m. and going straight to the navigation bridge, where I check emails and plan out my day's routine in accordance with the shipboat operation, which includes my navigation watch as well. In the bridge, first of all, I check the emails and reply to them if they require any urgent attention. And then I plan out my tasks for the day as per the priority and nature of the job. Being the medical officer on board, it is my duty and responsibility for the upkeep of hospital and medical locker. I am the one who is taking care and maintaining the stationary locker on board. Then going outside to the main deck for periodic check of eye wash and medical first aid kits. Those are kept in the various locations on board.
Let's have lunch. Bon appetit. Now it's time for the afternoon watch and I'm going on bridge. Hello Wong.
Taking over the navigation watch from third officer. Once I take over the watch from third officer, then I start carrying out my daily noon checks as per the checklist.
On board, second officer is responsible for the maintenance and upkeep of all the GMDSs and navigation equipments. So after taking over watch from third officer, I start my routine noon checks as per the checklist. We have daily checks, then we have weekly and monthly as well. So second officer take care of all the navigation and GMDSs equipments, their routine testing, and if there is any kind of fault or any kind of malfunctioning, then we make a proper report. That's how we proceed to the maintenance. Now I'll be making the daily noon reports. So now it's time to do the noon test on the GMDSs and radio equipment. Primarily on all the cargo ships, we have a MFHF, that is a radio communication equipment. Then we have SATC, which is satellite communication equipments. And there are printers attached, so if in case we receive any messages or we do any testing, we can take a printout for the records.
Is a test call on channel 10.
1200 to 1600 is the navigation watch time of the second officer. During this time, we continuously monitor the track of the vessel, regular position plotting, and keeping a navigational and safe lookout.
At 1600 hours, I hand over the navigation watch to chief officer and then I wrap up my paperwork. Our gym on board the ship is pretty small, but we have all the necessary equipments for workout. We have a treadmill, weights, and a compact multi-gym machine. After my daily workout, I take a shower and change for dinner.
Dinner time, guys.
Dinner on board usually starts at around 17:30 hours, but I go for my dinner somewhere in between 1800 to 1830.
You must be thinking that during all my meals, you don't see anybody around, any other crew member. This is because of the timing. The schedule is so awkward that, see, 4 o'clock in the morning, everybody's sleeping, only me and the watchkeeper AB is awake. During afternoon, 11:30, I have my lunch. That time, everybody is working. And evening, yeah, sometimes I get a chance to catch up with some other officers or engineer, but usually I eat alone.
During my leisure time, I usually catch up with my other shipmates, then playing NBA or FIFA on PlayStation. Connecting to the internet and then chatting or calling my friends and family. I also spend some of my time in planning or editing my vlogs.
Guys, it's 2100 hours now, 9 o'clock in the evening, and it's time to sleep. Morning again, guys. So now it's time for the night watch. During night hours when we are sailing, so all the lights inside the navigation bridge are switched off, so there is nothing much to show you around. Yeah, it's quite uncomfortable, you know, waking up at middle of the night and coming on watch. But the one thing which I like the most about the night watch is the night sky. Sometimes when you're sailing in deep oceans and there are absolutely no clouds around and the sky is pretty clear, then you could see, I think, almost all the stars in constellation in the sky. So that is one of the charm of the night watch. My morning watch is over and now it's time for breakfast. What I have for breakfast is pretty much same every day. Toast, 2 bread toasts, some scrambled eggs, cornflakes and milk. The scrambled eggs usually Chief Cook cooks for me in the evening and he just keeps for me on my table. So after coming from the watch, I just heat it in the microwave and now it's good to eat. Okay guys, the breakfast is done. So now let's talk a little bit about the daily routine of our deck officer on board. Routine which you saw in this vlog is pretty much same when the vessel is sailing or the vessel is at anchor. The changes occurs when the vessel is alongside at port and the cargo operation is going on. That time the deck officer, they are on a routine watch of 6 on 6 off. So the third officer will start his watch at 6 o'clock in the morning till 12 in the noon. Then second mate will come at 12 in the afternoon and then till 1800 in the evening, and then it goes on. So that time the routines changes a little bit because that time we have the cargo operation and a lot of other things like arrival port, departure port. During a normal sailing and during anchorage, when the vessel is at anchor, the routine is quite similar. Second mate will start his watch in the afternoon 12 till 1600. Then he has again his next watch is at 00 hours till 4 o'clock in the morning. After 4 o'clock, after my watch, I usually have breakfast till 4:30, and then I go to my cabin, change, and then I sleep around 5 o'clock. So it's 4:35 in the morning and now it's time to sleep, guys.